Hey guys, so today's video is actually going to be a little different than my typical beauty and fashion videos. I'm going to be talking to you guys all about how I manage my anxiety, since I know a lot of my viewers out there also have anxiety and probably wanted to have some better tips to use on how they can manage their own anxiety. I've had anxiety for many years, so I'll probably do a video eventually about my whole story about my anxiety, but for now I'm just going to give you guys some tips and tricks on how to manage yours better as well. My first tip is to use adult coloring books. I know that sounds really strange, but they are everywhere right now, and it's for a reason. The reason that adult coloring books are so great to help manage anxiety is the fact that there are so many small and tiny details in those drawings that it makes your mind focus just only on those little details at one time. So it just helps you relax your mind a lot better. My second tip is about The Secret. The Secret is a whole book series that it's like my absolute favorite book series of all time. They also have a documentary on Netflix that is also really great as well. Basically, The Secret is about the law of attraction, which basically states that anything that you think about puts your mind on a specific frequency, whether that be a good or bad frequency. But the best example that I can give of how to explain the law of attraction is, say you wake up late one morning and you get to work late, there was an accident on your way there, just everything in your day seems to be going absolutely wrong. That's the law of attraction happening because you're just in that mindset of everything going wrong. The same thing can happen on the opposite side as well. You can have a really, really good day, which I'm sure happens to you as well. So that's just the basic law of attraction, but it's stating that you can bring anything into your life that you possibly want. And it's just a great tool in helping you manage your anxiety and making you realize that it's not real, and just really like putting things into like the absolute perspective for you. I honestly could give you guys like a whole video eventually on the law of attraction, because that whole topic of the law of attraction is so like interesting to me, and I've been like researching it for a very long time now, so I probably will do a video on that topic as well eventually. So my third tip that I have for you guys is exercising. Anytime that I'm feeling really anxious or just in a bad mood, I always go to the gym. I typically start out my workout with doing about 20 minutes of cardio, whether that being on the Stairmaster or the elliptical, or even if it's nice outside, I like to go for runs outside. I don't like to use the treadmill very often because it just gets kind of boring. But then I will end my workout with about 40 minutes of lifting weights as well, which I can also give you guys like a whole video or even a video series eventually on how I like to do my workouts and like my typical workout and whatnot, because I typically go to the gym almost every day of the week. My fourth tip that I have for you guys on how to manage your anxiety is having a motivational quote as your background on your phone screen or even your laptop. I like to go on Pinterest and Instagram a lot and look at different inspirational quotes, and I often put them as my background then on my phone just to help motivate me throughout my day. And anytime I'm feeling down, I can just look at it and it just keeps me motivated and keeps me going. Just things, this gives you a little pump up throughout your day. My last tip that I have for you, which is tip number 5, is to make a gratitude list. Basically, what you do is you make a list of all the things that you're thankful for and just grateful for that you have in your life. So I really only do this when I'm feeling really, really down or really anxious, and I just need something to remind me and give me a little pump up of like why everything are like that I have everything in my life that I do and why I should be grateful for those things. So I hope you guys enjoyed my tips and tricks on how to manage your anxiety. If you're not already subscribed to my channel, hit that subscribe button down below, and while you're down there you can also hit the thumbs up button as well. That way I know that you enjoyed this video. You should also follow me on Instagram, because then you can get more of an inside scoop of what my life is really like, and I post on there multiple times a week. So I'll see you guys next week for more videos. Bye!